I'm Dr. Linda Gromko, and this is Transgender Medicine Made Simple. Today I'm going to tell you a little bit about Narcan. Now, Narcan is the medication that's used to reverse the effect of an opiate. Now, an opiate might include morphine, codeine, oxycodone, for example. It may include Dilaudid or fentanyl, which we're seeing a great deal of on the street these days. These are potentially fatal medications if taken in an overdose, and this is the medication that reverses it. Now, I called to get a prescription of this medication filled, and this came in my mailbox today. It came as a pack of 2. Each of these is 1 dose, okay? So if you know that somebody has taken an opiate and they're not responding, or if you believe that they may have, this is the medication that you try. So with the patient on their back, what you do is you basically insert this into one nostril, and then with your thumb, you're able to discharge this dose as a spray into the individual's nose. Now, this is soaked up by the circulation in the posterior nasopharynx. It works very, very quickly, and it can reverse the effect of an opiate, so it can save a life. Now, after you spray this, of course, they tell you to get the person in the recovery position, that is to say on their side. Of course, you will be calling 911 to call the paramedics so you can get further help. If an individual has been given this medication and they don't respond, you can repeat it with the second set in about 3 minutes or so. I think this is life-saving information, and it's very important that we have this available to us, particularly if we are using an opiate, if we are knowing somebody who might be using medications recreationally, and especially if you know somebody who is considering suicide or is acutely suicidal. This can really save their life. So in any event, I have a patient who asks me for this medication. Out of their concerns, I certainly prescribe it for my patients. So certainly call your healthcare provider to see if they'll do that for you as well. In the meantime, to be prepared, one of these is going into my purse and the other is going into my car. And that way, if I come across an opiate emergency, I'll be prepared for that. I hope this information is helpful to you. If so, please like it, share it with somebody who might need it, and please subscribe to this channel, Transgender Medicine Made Simple. Thank you for watching today, and I'll see you in the next video.